In the last few weeks, I've made several cakes to give my neighbors. This is one of the cakes I made and they absolutely loved it. Light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Start by preheating the oven to 170 degrees centigrade around 15 minutes before you start baking. Now to a bowl, add sugar, unsalted butter, and mix together for around 3 to 5 minutes. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Add the eggs one at a time and mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Add vanilla extract and also mix together. Once all the wet ingredients have been finely combined, add the dry ingredients, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. Sieve to remove any impurities. Now once the batter is ready, transfer into a greased baking pan and bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 35 minutes or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Once the cake is ready, remove from the oven and allow to rest for around 10 minutes before you remove from the mold. And enjoy!